Hi, yeah, welcome to another Microsoft Excel class today. So let's proceed. If you have not watched my previous video, and sure to watch my previous video, and there are a lot of things I explain about the Excel interface. So let us begin the class right now. Today we are looking at cuts. Then the next functions or process or task, we are going to learn how to use copy. Then we will learn how to use paste, and then we learn how to use paste special. Okay, so these are the functions we are going to look at today. Let us begin the first one, which is cut. Let's look at cut right now. So we have cuts. What does it mean to cut? You know, when you are dealing with a lot of like content on Microsoft Office programs, we usually use cut. So the short form or the shortcut to it is Control plus X. So put your hand on Control. If you are using Mac, it's going to be Command plus X. If you don't have Control your keyboard, then you use Command plus X. So that's to cut. So to cut, it means taking the data from one location, move it to another location. It could be sheets, it could be cells, it could be column, from one column to another, or from one row to another, or from one cell to another, or from one worksheet to another. Even from one workbook to another, you can do that. So that is the meaning of cut. Let's take a look at cut practically. So this is the data set I have here. I have about 10 records or rows in this data set and 2 columns. So I want to cut it now. Cutting means I want to remove one of the, possibly it could be all of them. Let me just transfer all of them. So what you do, you select it or you highlight it. We call it highlight or select. So you select it, all of them. I want to cut all of them. That means I want to transfer it to another location. So and then I will press Ctrl X, or you can also find it here. These scissors, you see it right now. So let me zoom my stuff a little so you can see it. Okay, you can see my data set properly. So you have these scissors. This scissors means cut. It means cut. Of course, you know the implication of using scissors to cut something. So it's cut. When I press the scissors now, or I press Ctrl plus X, you see that it shows a kind of a moving border across it. So that means it's already selected and it has executed a cut. But now we have cut it, we want to paste this somewhere. So let me just take it here, click this place where you want the content to start from, or the data set to start from. So I'll press Ctrl V, or you paste, it's paste here. Okay, let me just use the shortcut, which is Ctrl V. So I paste it now. You can see it now, it has been moved from that location to another location. So this is cut. Cut means you take the content or data set from one location, move it to the other location. It could be cell, it could be worksheet, it could be column or rows, whatever. So that is cut. Let's move to the next one, which is copy. So what does it mean to copy? The shortcut is Ctrl plus C to copy. So it means taking a copy of that data or content to another location while the original data remains there. So this a little bit different from cut, because cut entirely that content is taken away from there, but this one is just a copy, or what you call photocopy. Let me just put it that way. So photocopy or you know, a copy of that data set, you take it, move it to another location. So the shortcut is Ctrl plus C. So let's look at it practically. So let's look at this now. So this is the content. It's the same process you're going to carry out, but it's just that the way to approach it, which is Ctrl plus C, is different from Ctrl plus X is for cut. So Ctrl plus C is for copy. So I select everything now. You click and just drag across it. So you have selected it. Then I will press Ctrl plus C. Or you can also see an indication here, a symbol here to show that it's copied. So I'll copy it now. I've copied it. So I'm not moving everything there. I'll paste it here. Ctrl plus V is paste. So I'm moving. So I've generated a copy, not the original is still here. I've generated a copy, just like I've made a photocopy. I'll move it here. You can move it several times. You can also, not just once, you can keep pasting several times you want to. If I want to paste it here, you can paste it here like that. You can see now. You get it now. I can start to paste it here too. Yeah, okay. So that is copy. Is it okay? So that is it. So the next stuff, or the next functions we are going to look at is paste. So what is paste? The shortcut to it is Ctrl plus V. So it means to drop a data on a particular location. So you have already copied it, or you have already cut it. So you want to drop it on a particular location, or cells or sheets. So that is paste. Okay. So we are going to look at it practically. So if you check now, for you to execute paste, that means you must have copied it. So let's assume I don't want that rotating border, so I'll press escape key to remove the rotating borders. Okay, so I've selected it now. I'll copy it. So paste is Ctrl V. You can paste it anywhere you want to paste it. Ctrl V. It will be another worksheet, so you go below if you want to open another worksheet. Plus this plus here, you can even paste it here in this place. You see now I've pasted it. So Ctrl V is paste. So you have paste here. So you have paste here. You just press this one, you just paste. So that is paste. Okay. So the last one I'm going to look at is Control plus Alt plus V, which is paste special. So this one is not just ordinary paste. The previous paste I taught you is just ordinary paste. I'll call it ordinary paste, but it's just paste, simple paste. So this one has several options. You understand? So if you want to paste certain aspect of that content, it might be the format of that content, as I've written here right now. It might be the formula of that content. It might be the format of that content, like if it's bold or italics or underline. It may be it's only that bold or that format you want to copy, maybe not the content, or you want to copy the content, which is the value or the validation rule or the comment or everything. So this one allows you to choose from different varieties or from different options. Okay, so let's look at it practically. This is our data set, for instance. So let me just go back to this place. So this is my data set, for instance. So I want to use paste special. So I want to paste it, I want to copy it. So for instance, let me just copy it, which is Control plus Alt plus V. So if you can remember again, Control plus Alt plus V. So now if I've copied it now, so I want to, let me just make sure that let me just select everything again so that you see it properly. So if you want to copy now, you can just copy it. So I want to paste now. So what I want to paste, I want to paste everything all. So in that case now, Control plus Alt plus V. So I've copied it. So Control plus Alt plus V. So you can see now. So please let me post it. Let me just click here so that's where I want to paste it. Control plus Alt plus V. So it gives me options now. This paste special, you can see it written here right now. So you have several things. You want to copy only the formulas, you want to copy only the values, and you want to copy format like that. So let me just do formulas. Let me just do formulas in this case. So let me generate a formula. For instance, the formula that generated, let me just say this one. Let me just say let me call this one output, for instance. So this is a formula. Now I want to get this column with a formula. So don't worry about the formula, later I'll come to formula properly. So if I say I want to multiply let me just multiply the values here. Like let me just say I want to multiply because I can't do formulas on this name. So let me just do something like this times 2. So let me just, okay, so I am doubling everything to give me, so everything in this place I just double it. That's what I did. So it's a formula. What I want to show you, don't bother about the complexity. It's just a formula that generated this place. Okay, so if I want to copy the formula, now I want to paste special. So we have normal paste, which is pasting everything. You have paste special. So this paste special, now I want to copy only the formula here and paste it here. Okay, it's a formula that generated, so you can see a formula up here. So for instance, let me just select everything here right now. So let me say copy. I've copied, so I want to paste it here. Let me paste it here. Control plus Alt plus V, paste special now. So let me just say it's only the formula now I'm interested in. Okay, so it's only the formula. So in this case now, I'll just select only formula here. Then I'll paste it here. You see, now in this case, this one is showing me that formula generated this stuff. But if you check here now, you see the formula. Can you see the formula here right now? So you see it's formula that generated this place now. But if I don't want, what I'm going to do is this. If I don't want, it's generating the formula here to do this one. So if I don't want, let me Control Z again. So I want it to post only the values, not the formula. So let me just say Control. Okay, I've copied it right now. So let me paste it again. Control plus Alt plus V. So let me just place only the value without the formula. Oh, sorry. Let me select it. Let me select it. So this way I want to paste it. So I have. Oh, sorry. I've selected now. So I put it here. I want to paste it here. Control plus Alt plus V. Yeah. Okay. So it's formula right now. So let me click formula. oh sorry, no, let me only the value, not the formula. So I'll click it here. So I have it. You can see now, if I touch it now, you'll see that it's no longer showing formula now. It's showing that it's only the content I'm interested to paste. I'm not interested in the formula. Okay, so you can check all other options in terms of this paste special. You can check a whole lot of options there. For instance, you have this. For instance, you have this. Okay, let me paste it here. Let me copy it again. Let me copy it. Control C, and I want to paste it here right now. So let me Control Alt plus V. So paste special is also here. Please, if you want to look for paste special, you can check it here too. You have paste special here, so you can use any of the options. And these are different stuff. So in this case, you can just try it. Just Control Alt plus V. Control plus V. Okay, Control Alt plus V. So you can check others here, like format, which is if it's bold, underline, or italics, you just copy only that format, not the content. So you can try all those ones. Then I want to teach you the last one, which is the link. Let me just teach you that of link. So you can put link alone, link. So in this case now, I mean, when I say link, I'm saying that it's going to be linked to this content. So if you make a change in this place, it's going to affect the other place. Okay, so let's look at it right now. So let me just copy this one now. Okay, let me copy this one. I copied it, so I want to paste it here. Let me paste it in column D so you see it very well. Okay, column D. So let me just say paste special, which is Control plus Alt plus V. So let me just click paste link here. Okay, so I've pasted link here right now, right? So it's going to be linked to that sheet. So if I made any change to this sheet here, let me just say here becomes 4, for instance. Okay, so let's look at what happened in the other place. So you can see that it has changed to 4. So they are linked. You understand? So let me just teach you one more last thing. Apart from that, we are through with the paste special, but this is just a bonus because you have waited up to this time. So you can move. I want to teach you how to move. So you can move this content here, move it around that place. Let me just make it more simple. Let me remove this one now. I'm through with my stuff. So let me just delete this. So I want to move this content, from here to this place. So you can just make sure you move it to the border. If it shows this black cross, can you see this black cross? Okay, so this black cross on the border, you can click and drag. Can you see how I drag it? So you can move stuff. I like this function very well. So you can move it here, you can move it down, you can move it down, you can move it down. So this is how to move, a shortcut of moving. Okay, it's also similar to cut. Okay. Thank you very much for staying tuned to this class. So I will see you in the next class. Enjoy the rest of your day.